And we are going to begin with some breaking updates coming in at this point in time. BJP MP Nishikant Dubey has written to Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla requesting him for initiating privilege proceedings against Leader of Opposition Rahul Gandhi. Nishikant Dubey has written that Rahul Gandhi in his speech not only shamelessly distorted the historical and substantive facts, but also made an attempt to ridicule our country and lowering the prestige of our republic. Let's go across to my colleague Pragya joining us on the broadcast for more on this. Pragya, give us more details. Can we now say trouble there brewing for Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, after what he said yesterday?
Well, absolutely, and there's a pressure on Rahul Gandhi to authenticate the statements, the speech that he has delivered yesterday on motion of thanks to presidential address. In fact, Nishikant Dubey, in his application and privilege notice that he had written to Speaker Lok Sabha, he said that there are 6 issues, like mobile phones not made in India, forcibly land has been captured by China, Maharashtra Legislative Assembly appointment of Chief Election Commissioner, and obviously that our country was not invited by US during the swearing ceremony of Mr. Trump. So these are quite few issues on which he says that Rahul Gandhi has distorted the facts, and in fact there were no facts in it. And in fact he has gone on to say that this is the time that privilege proceedings should be taken against Mr. Rahul Gandhi on urgent basis, and also that since these are all recorded in parliamentary records and proceedings are testimony to this irresponsible attitude, and the guardian of Indian chapter of basically calling him that he is the guardian of Indian chapter of foreign trade toolkit aimed at destabilizing our country, action should be taken against him. This is also basically a condemnation by BJP MP of Mr. Rahul Gandhi's speech, saying that he has been very responsible in his speeches. He is acting not in interest of the country, but acting as an agent of other countries like China and US. So these are very serious allegations that have been leveled against the Leader of Opposition, and it seems like BJP is at maintaining the pressure on Rahul Gandhi to speak with facts or to authenticate his statements, and this is what the demand will be from Rahul Gandhi every time he'll rise up.
In fact, several ministers from the NDA have also debunked already the claims that Rahul Gandhi had made, and we'll now see what the Prime Minister has to say on what Rahul Gandhi mentioned yesterday in the Lok Sabha. Pragya, for now, thank you for joining us with all of those details.